What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we are going to talk about the error how to fix PS4 WC-34737-4. It's a credit card invalid. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side. Here is and we are going to the screen, and here we are at the screen. You just go to the settings and account information, account management, account information, and please wait. Here we are at the wallet. You just tap on the wallet. Here we go to the wallet. Please wait and add a payment method, add a funds, transaction history, purchase setting. You go to the payment method. Here you can add the PayPal account, add a mobile account, and add a credit card. Here you already have a credit card information added. You just delete it and add a new one again. And sometimes you have a different region and a different account information. You must check the account information and a region information. You must be the same. If you have a UK, then you must add a UK credit card information, US credit card information, and after that it will be work. So simply that's how you can fix this. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic.